Good afternoon, Shreveport City Government. My name is Adavius Furlow, and I am the youngest self-made American African billionaire in American history. And I am the founder and CEO of Dumping Bad. We are solidified and certified in these streets. We provide ghetto art and sustainable gear for all colors of people around the world. Now, Dumping Bad is currently valued at $1.555 billion. That is before expenses and taxes. And that is by conservative estimates. And by conservative estimates, that puts my net worth in the ballpark of Mark Zuckerberg and LeBron James. Why I'm telling the city council this, why I'm telling the mayor this. Because I am currently working on a short film entitled, damn, I can't have my cousin bring the bags in the house. My first main actress, and I already cast and signed on as the main lead, is the one and only Demetrius Flannery Jr. I already been in contact with Von Motion, and we already talked about the 40% buyback that we're going to get for shooting in Shreveport. My question for city government is, how can we work together in providing filming locations? And are there any liquid funding, because a small business loan that I got received from Trump blew it on box reports? And by the way, we already talked about wealth inequality. I already signed a petition. We need our reparations to close this wealth gap, this racial wealth gap. And by we, I mean American African people. Can we work together, Shreveport? I would love to. Tom? I'm literally the second wealthiest nigga behind Baby Savage. Thank you. Let's work together. Oh, make sure we're racing again.